So friends, welcome back to my channel. If you guys facing this problem in your Diablo 4 game today, unable to find a valid license for Diablo 4, code 315306 error code problem. So guys, in this video I am showing the two ways to solve this problem. Yes guys, this video helps to solve the problem. The problem is start from this queen for login, and after this you have to face this unable to find a valid license for Diablo 4 code 315306 error code. So guys, firstly you have to know about today Diablo 4 game servers is down right now, so this is the reason why you have to facing this error, and I am showing how to solve this problem. So guys, watch this video till end. Firstly, you can watch this graph. The red line is at the up. It means many people facing the problem in Diablo 4 game today of the error code problem. So guys, the ways to solve this problem is, the first way is to log back into the game when there are fewer players. Yes guys, because of the server issue the game is not responding, so this is the way. And the second way is the restart the game. Yes guys, you have to restart your game, and this is the two ways to solve this problem, because you are not only one, many people facing the problem in Diablo 4 game today. So guys, you have to use these ways to solve this problem, and if your problem is not solved with these ways, you have to wait for some minute or an hour, because this is the server issue and this problem is automatically solved by Diablo 4 game team. It may take some minute or an hour, so guys you have to wait for some minute or an hour. And guys, if you're having any other problem, you can comment me. Do like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.